Struggling with asthma or breathing issues? Himalayan pink salt might be the natural solution you've been looking for. Clears airways. Pink salt has natural anti-inflammatory properties that help open up airways, making breathing easier. Reduces mucus and congestion. Salt therapy can loosen mucus buildup, helping you breathe freely and deeply. Filters airborne irritants. Pink salt attracts moisture, trapping dust, allergens, and pollutants that trigger asthma symptoms. Supports lung function. Many people swear by salt rooms and salt inhalers to help improve respiratory health over time. Bonus, it's 100% natural and chemical-free. Whether through salt therapy, lamps, or walls, pink salt may help you breathe better and feel better. Want to try it? Get your Himalayan pink salt products today at pinksaltwall.com and experience the benefits for yourself.